Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. I just learned how to spawn structures in the world, and I did that using features. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys what features are, how to spawn your own structures in the world, and I'm going to be answering a question I got a while back. So let me start the video right now. So first, what are features? Features are decorations in the world. So that can be a structure or a single block, can be anything. And there are different types of features available in Minecraft, and these are the available features that you can make. I won't go through all of them because in this video I'm only going to be showing you how to spawn structures, which is this feature here. The next are feature rules. A feature rule in the name are just the definitions of where to place the feature and how it should place. So in short, a feature is what to place, and a feature rule is where and how to place it. So the first thing that you will do is open up your behavior pack and create a folder called features, and we'll name a new file called ninjahot_feature.json. Then we'll add the format version, and the type of feature we're going with is the Minecraft structure template feature, which allows you to spawn structures that you make in a world. In the description we'll add the identifier, and for this, the identifier, you add your namespace, but the name after has to match the name of the file. So ninjahot feature. Next, you add your structure name, and for this we actually need the structure. So in my test world, I have multiple test worlds. In this test world, I made my ninjahot with a secret chamber which you can open. So I'll save this structure and I'll add structure voids to allow the blocks to blend in with the world easily, not taking up space with air. So I'll save it and I'll add it to a new folder called structures in the behavior pack. So with my structure there, I'm going to type the name of the structure, which is my structure :ninjahot. And note, some of you might mess this part up. The name of the structure by default is my structure : the name of the structure, and that is based on the file structure. I've said structure so many times. So if you keep the structure inside another folder, it's going to have a different namespace. So I create a folder called fpat in structures, then it's going to be fpat:ninjahot. So remember that. Next, for the adjustment radius, I'm going to set it to 1. This is how far the structure can move when searching for a valid spot to be placed, and the facing direction is going to be random. And for constraints, I want this structure to spawn on full ground, so I'll set it to grounded. I'll set the constraint to grounded. With the structure feature done, we can create the feature rule. I'll do that by first creating a folder called feature rules, and the file will be ninjahot_feature_rule.json. In here, we're also going to add the format version. Is a feature rule, and in the description we'll add the identifier, which is fpat:ninjahot feature rule, and places feature. This is the actual feature that you're going to place, so we'll add the feature that we just made, which is the ninjahot. Now for the conditions, first we'll add the placement pass. The placement path is in which order the feature should be placed. In generating the world, the game spawns each feature in a specific order. So the first pass is always placed first, then it can be the underground features, then the overall features, and so on. So for our feature, we're going to place it on the first pass. Higher order means it's guaranteed that it's going to spawn sooner. So the next field I will add is the biome filter. So for this, what the test is going to be has biome tag. We'll add an operator for equals to, and the value is going to be plains because we want to place it in the plains biome. So that is the condition that we'll add. And last but not least, the distribution, how it's going to actually place it. So we'll first add the iterations. The iteration is how many times the feature rule is going to try and place it. So we'll set it to 1, so only once. The scatter chance, we'll set it to 5. These are my values, but you can set it to any one of your choice. And for the actual position of the feature, the X, Y, and Z are based on chunks. If you don't know, from what I've seen, a feature rule will try and place the feature on every chunk, but it's your distribution that will vary it. So for the X, we'll set it to 0, the Z will be 0, and the Y, we're going to use a Molang expression for it. As I want it to spawn on the ground, I'll set it to the height map of the world. That way, from any height, it's going to spawn it directly on the surface. So the expression is going to be query.heightmap, and we'll make it, the values will be variable X and Z, so we'll get the position of where it is. And for my structure, because it has a chamber, I'm going to set it to -7. So it's going to be offset by 7 blocks, and we'll bury the chamber down. That way, my structure is going to spawn in the world. And since some people might be wondering, to open the chamber, you throw a wind charge at the chest, near the chest, and you open the chamber for it to enter. Now for the last part of this video, I'm going to be answering a comment I got back telling me to add loot tables to the Evergrown City mod. Rather, I'm going to show you how to add loot tables for any structure with chests or any other tile entity that accepts loot tables. And to do that, the first thing that you need is an MBT editor. That's because structures hold MBT data that can be edited using an editor like the one I'm using right here. And the way to add loot tables is by modifying the chests to hold a string for the loot table path. So here we're just going to add one string tag, call it loot table, and I'll add the path for it, which is loot tables / chests / the name of my structure, Ninja Hut. And I'm also going to add one for the secret chamber. We'll save that, and now all I have to do is create a loot table for the 2 chests. And that's about it. The loot is going to show up in the chests, like is actually part of it. You can also randomize it if you want. And note there are other type of features that you can add. You can add an OR feature, a geode, a tree, and you can also add sequence features, which allows you to stack multiple features for some cool dungeon or so. Plus, there are other cool ways of doing word generation using jigsaws, which allows you to add procedural word generation, and that's how people make all those cool cities. Note also in the Evergreen City add-on. I hope you guys love the video. Drop in the comments, tell me what you think, your thoughts. If you have any other ideas also, drop it there or on my Discord, and I'll see you guys later for the next one.